Welcome to Tian's Data Cafe. Thank you for clicking this link. In this video, what we are about to learn today is Excel must-know tips and tricks for data analyst freshers. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you are watching this video, please do share it to some of your friends who is an aspiring data analyst. Okay, so now let's get into today's tutorial. So today in this video, what I'm going to teach you is I'm going to show you how to convert text in a single row that's kind of separated by commas into a text that is separately pasted into separate cells in a row wise or a column wise manner. Okay, so first the thing is click on the cell where you have your data. So here in this cell you have a data like Jimmy, John, Sally, Rex, Ricky, Tessa, Janet, all the names typed into a single cell that's kind of separated by commas. Okay, so here you have to select the cell and then click on data in the menu bar. Okay, so where you have to search for a tab called data tools. So there you will be having a option called text to columns. So click on text to columns. Okay, so here you can see the selected text is kind of like previewed here. So here you have to choose the file type that best describes your data. So here the thing is delimited because so here our data is kind of like separated by commas. So where commas are our delimiters, because delimiters are the expressions that is separating our data into sensible data. Okay, then click on next. So where they will be asking like there will be delimiter option. So where they will be asking like what sort of delimiters we have here. So here the delimiter what we have is commas. So we have to uncheck if any other boxes are checked and check just only one box called the comma box. So here you can see a preview of how our data will be. Okay, now again click on next. So here they will be asking like what sort of data it has to be. So you can mark the formatting as text, date or number or anything that you want. But now we don't have any kind of such situation. So we are clicking finish. Okay, yeah, it's done. So now all the data that has been separated by commas are now kind of like entered into each and every cell. Okay, so now what we have to do is copy this. Okay, controls left click and click copy, or you can press control C. So now it's kind of like copied. So let's see. Okay, you have to paste it here. Okay, and then click paste. Okay, now what you have is you can click on this button called transpose. Okay, so where now it's kind of like pasted into a row wise manner. Yeah, thank you guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we can